Welcome to Cannes, renowned for its biggest international events in a unique environment.
Cannes has always responded to new challenges and hosted successfully your event in complete safety.
All city services have been mobilized to ensure that its public spaces are the safest and the cleanest.
We have introduced innovative and demanding protocols to cover each stage of the client's journey.
All actors are mobilized.
From your arrival, Nice Côte d'Azur Airport has resorted its sanitary protocols for its safe spaces, while ensuring a smooth and easy airport experience.
If you arrive by train, Cannes railway station has established demanding measures to ensure a safe environment.
Taxis take care of you in vehicles regularly ventilated and thoroughly disinfected between each customer for a serene journey.
The hotels in Cannes are among the most prestigious in the world. The measures are precise and repeated to ensure perfect cleanliness in your rooms, meeting spaces and catering.
The restaurants offer you refined cuisine while meeting the strictest sanitation rules.
The steps of the Palais des Festivals welcome the biggest events and the most famous celebrities, so we know how to respond effectively to any new expectations.
As soon as your event is set up, each participant, each item of equipment is clearly identified and controlled.
We received the COVID-19 Business Ready certification based on a list of 100 control points, an eco-COVID label for its respect of the environment.
So yes, Cannes is ready to welcome you.
Because we will always need to meet.
Organize and leave your event with complete peace of mind.
See you very soon in a total sanitary safety.